Hey everyone! Let's make a cool snow effect. Select your clip, and click the Fusion icon. Here, you will see two nodes, Media in 1, which is your source clip, and Media Out 1, which is the final output. Press Shift plus Spacebar to open the Tool Selection menu. Search and add the following four nodes in this order: P-emitter, P-directional force, P-turbulence, Prender. Merge. Now move the merge node onto the yellow line, between Media in 1 and Media Out 1. Hold Shift and drop the node to insert it. Next, connect the output of the Prender node to the green input of the merge node. Then click the One Viewer icon to make the viewer full size. Now adjust the settings of your nodes. First, set where the snow appears. Select P-emitter, change its settings in the inspector. Set rectangle as region. Set the width to 1 and height to 1 under size. Then change translation X offset to -0.02 and translation Y to 0.02 to make the snowflakes begin off-screen. Next, we'll set the look of the snow. Under Style tab, change Style to Blob and the size between 0.3 and 0.5 to control how big each flake is. Set color to white. You can also change the size variance between 0.3 and 0.5, so the flakes have different sizes, and look more natural. Set also size to velocity between 0.3 to 0.5. Next, set how many flakes appear, and how long they last. Under Controls tab, set number between 30 and 50. Number variance, between 15 and 25, lifespan, 200. Lifespan variance between 25 and 35 to make snowflakes disappear at slightly different times. Next, select P-directional force, and set strength to 0.01, and direction to -75. This makes the snow fall naturally. Now, select the P-turbulence node. Set X strength to 0.2, and change density to 40. Lower values make gentle drifting, higher values make the snow swirl more. Select the P-render node for the final touch. Set blur to 2.0, to make the flakes soft. Alright, now let's save your entire snow setup, so you can reuse it in any future project. First, select all the snow nodes. Make sure you do not select Media in 1, or Media Out 1. We only want the snow effect. Now right-click on any of the selected snow nodes. Choose Settings, Save As. Type a name and save it. Use your saved snow effect in a new project. Simply click and drag the file into the Fusion node area. Then, hold Shift and drop the merge node onto the line, connecting Media in 1 and Media Out 1. Next, connect the output of the P-render node to the green input of the merge node. You've just created a snow effect. Experiment with the node settings to adjust the snow exactly how you like it.